integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into dv. That means first function into integral of second function minus integration of second function into differentiation of first function. So integral of e to the power of f of x plus f dash x dx is always equal to e to the power of f of x plus c. Integral a to b f of x dx. So is called a definite integral where a is called the lower limit and b is called the upper limit. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to take the revision of very important concepts in integration, that is integration by parts, and few problems based on definite integrals. Now let us discuss regarding integration by parts. Now integration by parts. Suppose if f of x and g of x are two functions, that is functions of x, then integration of f of x dx can be written as first f of x into integral of second function f of x into integration of g of x dx minus integral of g of x into differentiation of f of x dx. That is first function into integral of second function minus integration of second function into differentiation of first function is called integration by parts, or first function into integral of second function minus integration of second function into differentiation of first function is called integration by parts. So that is denoted as integral of u dv is equal to uv minus v du. Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into dv. That means first function into integral of second function minus integration of second function into differentiation of first function. Now let us take an example based on this. So to apply integration by parts, we are going to make use of iLearn functions, that is inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric functions, and exponential function, iLearn function. Now let us take an example. Integrate or evaluate x sin x. So here algebraic function and trigonometric function is given, right? Let us consider this algebraic function as first function and the trigonometric function as the second function. Now we can take u is equal to x and dv is equal to sin x dx, right? Now differentiate the first function. Du by dx is equal to 1, so therefore du is equal to dx. Integrate this. Integration of dv is v, integration of sin x is minus cos x. What is the formula? uv minus v du. The formula is uv minus integral v into du. So uv, first function, x into v is nothing but minus cos x minus integral of v is equal to minus cos x into du is equal to dx. See, here two function, logarithm, algebraic and trigonometric function is converted into a single function, that is minus cos x. So this can be written as minus cos x, minus into minus plus, integration of cos x is sin x plus c is the integrated answer. Very important and simple problem. Okay. Now let us take one more problem, x e power x. So here you can consider this as the first function and the exponential as the second function. U is equal to x and dv is equal to e to the power of x dx. Now differentiate this. Du is equal to dx. Integration of e power x is e power x. What is the formula? uv minus integral v into du. uv x e power x, x into e power x minus integral v is e power x into du is dx. So x e power x minus integration of e power x is e power x plus c. So if you want, you can stop here itself, or you can take e power x common factor, e power x into x minus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now similarly, let us take one more problem. This is also important for 3 marks. E to the power of x sin x dx. Let us consider this as, let I is equal to e power x sin x dx, right? Now here you can consider any this as first function or this as first function. So you can consider this can be written as sin x e power x dx. Sin x first function, this as the second function. Now u is equal to sin x, right? dv is equal to e power x dx. Then differentiation of sin x is cos x and integration of e power x is e power x. What is the formula? uv minus integral v into du. So this can be written as I is equal to uv sin x into e power x minus integral v. What is v? E power x into cos x dx. Again, this can be integrated by integration by parts. Same formula we are going to use. So consider this as first function, second function. uv is equal to cos x, dv is equal to e power x. Then differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, integration of e power x. Now therefore, this I is equal to what we have? E to the power of x into sin x minus, apply integration by parts for this. So this is first function, second function, e power x into cos x minus integral of v du. V is e power x into sin x, minus into minus plus sin x dx. So this is equal to e to the power of x sin x multiply by negative sign e power x cos x minus what you will get? E to the power of x sin x dx. So this is I is equal to e to the power of sin x minus e to the power of x cos x minus what is e power x sin x dx? E power x sin x dx is equal to I from equation number 1. This is equal to I from 1. Transfer this I plus I is equal to 2I. You can take e power x common factor. What you will get? Sin x minus cos x. I plus I is 2I. So therefore only I is equal to e to the power of x divided by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus c is the integrated answer. So the answer for this is e power x divided by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus c. That's it. Very simple problem. 3 marks. Now these are few problems for integration by parts for 2 or 3 markers. Now let's move on to the next very important type of integrations. Integrals of the form e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash x dx. A exponential function, a function and the derivative of a function, f of x plus derivative of a function along with exponential function. Then the integrated answer is e to the power of x into f of x dx. Now let us write the formula. What is the formula? Integral e power x f dash x dx is equal to e to the power of f of x. Integration of this is nothing but e to the power of f of x plus c is the integrated answer. So integral of e to the power of f of x plus f dash x dx is always equal to e to the power of f of x plus c. Now let us take an example. For example, integral e power x into log x plus 1 over x dx. Now here f of x is equal to log x and differentiation of log x is 1 over x, right? Differentiation of log x. This is of the form integral e to the power of f of x plus f dash of x. What is this equal to? So e power x f of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x, that is e to the power of x into what is f of x? F of x is log x plus c. That's it. Okay. Now let us take up. So you may expect 1 mark or 2 marks question from this. Let us take an example. Evaluate integral e to the power of x into sin x plus cos x. Now here this is nothing but f of x. F of x is equal to sin x. If we differentiate this, f dash of x, differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. So the given equation is of the form e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. What is the formula for this? E power x into f of x plus c. So this is equal to e to the power of what is f of x? Sin x. E power x into sin x plus c is the integrated answer. So integral of e power x sin x plus cos x is equal to e to the power of sin x, because differentiation of sin x is cos x. E power x sin x plus c is the integrated answer. Very simple for 2 marks. Now move on to a similar type problem. This is also very important. E to the power of x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square. This can be written as e to the power of x as it is into 1 over x plus minus 1 by x square dx, right? Plus into minus is equal to minus. So, what is f of x? F of x is equal to 1 over x. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So, f of x plus f dash of x. Now, what is the formula? Integral e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e to the power of x into f of x plus c. E to the power of x into what is f of x? 1 by x plus c is the integrated answer. E power x into 1 over x plus c. Very simple, right? Now, move on to your next problem. This is very important for 3 marks. X e raised to x divided by 1 plus x whole the square, right? Now, this can be written as very important problem for 3 marks. Integral. So, this is e power x into x divided by 1 plus x whole square into dx. Just add and subtract 1 in numerator. So, that is e to the power of x into just add 1 and subtract 1 divided by 1 plus x whole square into dx. This can be written as e to the power of x into, just make this as one group, 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole the square. See here. So, 1 plus x minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, we will get the same step. So, this can be written as e to the power of x into term by term division. 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole the square. So, here one term gets cancelled. E to the power of x into 1 by 1 plus x minus into this can be as plus into minus 1 plus x whole the square, same as that of the previous problem. Here what is f of x? F of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So, if you differentiate this, f dash of x, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole the square. So, this is nothing but integral e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. What is this equal to? E power x f of x plus c. E to the power of x into, what is f of x? F of x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x plus c. So, e to the power of x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c is the integrated answer. Very important. You may expect this for your final examination. Right. Now, move on to the next problem. Integrate with respect to x, e to the power of x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Straight away you can write what is f of x? F of x is tan inverse of x. What is differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. So, if you observe carefully, this is of the form e to the power of x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. What is the formula? E to the power of x, f of x plus c. E to the power of x into, what is f of x? Tan inverse of x plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next very important integral. So, that is, so this is very important. You may expect one 5-mark question from this. There are 3 problems. Integral root of a square minus x square, integral root of a square plus x square, integral root of x square minus a square. Let me take any one problem. Now, this is for 5 marks question. Now, evaluate root of a square minus x square dx. Now, let us consider this as I. Let I is equal to integral root of a square minus x square into dx. So, this can be written as root of a square minus x square into 1 time dx. So, this is first function and second function. You can take u is equal to root of a square minus x square and second function dv is equal to dx. Differentiate this. Differentiation of 1 over root x is 1 over 2 root a square minus x square into differentiation of inside root a constant 0, x square is 2x along with negative sign. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Integration of dx is x. What is the formula? uv minus integral v into du. Substitute here. This is I is equal to uv. What is uv? X into root of a square minus x square minus integral v. V is equal to x into du. What is du? Minus x divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. This can be written as, therefore, I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square, this minus as it is, integral minus x into x is x square divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Now this is I is equal to, the first step is same, a square minus x square minus integral, just for this minus x square, add and subtract a square in the numerator. So add and subtract a square. What happens? So minus plus a square minus a square divided by root of a square minus x square into dx. Rearrange it. X into root of a square minus x square minus, first write a square minus x square, this is one group, minus a square, another group, term by term division, that is root of a square minus x square into root of a square minus x square dx. Here just add and subtract a square in the numerator, in the numerator only. Then what happens? Plus a square minus a square gets cancelled. You will get the same step, minus x square. Put it in order, a square minus x square minus a square. So divide term by term, root of a square minus x square. So this is I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus this root a square minus x square can be written as root of a square minus x square whole square. Square root gets cancelled, you will get the same step. Divided by a square minus x square, multiply by negative sign into dx, minus into minus plus, a square out, integral 1 over root of a square minus x square into dx. Now one term gets cancelled in the numerator and denominator. I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus, what is left is only one term is there, a square minus x square into dx plus a square into 1 over root of a square minus x square dx. Right. See here, one term in the numerator and denominator gets cancelled, you will get 1. So if you observe carefully from equation number 1, this is I. From 1, this can be written as I. So that is I is equal to x into root of a square minus x square minus I, this is minus I, plus a square into, you know what is integral of root of a square minus x square? Sine inverse x by a plus c. So this is, transfer this, I plus I is 2i. 2i is equal to x into root of a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a plus c. Now divide by 2, therefore you will get I is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus capital C. So this is the integrated answer, very important formula. Therefore integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus c. Very important formula this is. So this is very important. You may get this same, you may use this formula in application of integrals while finding the area of a circle and area of an ellipse by integration. Definite, very important formula. Integral root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. Hope you followed this very important problem. Now let us take an example based on this. Hence evaluate. If you observe carefully, this is of the form integral root of a square minus x square dx. What is a square? A square is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. What is the formula? X square, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2, a square 2 square 4 by 2, a square is 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, x divided by 2 plus c. So this is nothing but x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus 2 sine inverse of x by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Now let us move on to the next problem. Next, the concept is Definite integrals. This is also a very, very important concept. Definite integral. A definite integral is denoted by integral a to b f of x, where a is called the lower limit and b is called the upper limit of the integral. Integral a to b f of x, integral a to b f of x dx. So, is called a definite integral where a is called the lower limit and b is called the upper limit. Suppose let f is a continuous function defined on the closed interval a comma b, and let capital F be the antiderivative of f, then integral of a to b f of x dx is equal to, suppose if we integrate small f of x, let us consider the capital F of x as the integral. So, integral of a to b f of x is f of x between limits a to b, just apply the upper limit, f of b minus f of a is called the definite integral. So, integral of a to b f of x is equal to integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to capital F of x dx, upper limit and lower limit, just apply the upper limit first, f of b minus f of a. So, there is no need of adding the constant of integration because this itself is a constant value. This is a definite value, that is why it is a definite integral. Now, let us take a small example based on this. Now, evaluate integral a to b x dx. Now, this is equal to just ordinary integral. Integration of x to the power of 1 is x square by 2 between limits a to b. Apply the upper limit b square by 2 minus lower limit a square by 2. So, this is equal to b square by 2 minus a square by 2. If you want, you can take the LCM, b square minus a square by 2. This itself is a definite value, b square minus a square divided by 2. Similarly, let us take an example. These are all one more question. Evaluate 0 to 5 x plus 1 dx. So, integration of x is x square by 2. Integration of dx is x between limits 0 to 5. Now, first apply the upper limit, 5 square by 2 plus 5 minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0 square by 2 is 0 plus 0. So, this is equal to 5 square is 25 by 2 plus 5 minus 0. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM, 25 plus 5 2s are 10, that is equal to 35 divided by 2 is the simplified answer, right. See here, integral of x is x square by 2, integration of dx is x between the limits 0 to 5. Apply upper limit, 5 square by 2, 25 by 2 plus 5 minus lower limit, x is 0, 0, that is 0. Take LCM, 2 is LCM, 5 2s are 10 plus 25 is 35 divided by 2. Now, move on to the next problem. Evaluate integral of x square dx between limits 2 to 3. So, just integral of x square is x cube by 3 between limits 2 to 3. Now, apply, just take, you can take 3 common, 1 by 3 out, apply the upper limit, 3 cube minus 2 cube lower limit. So, 1 over 3 into, what is 3 cube? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2 cube is 8. So, 1 over 3 into 27 minus 8 is 19. So, the answer for this is 19 by 3. These are all one more question. Now, take this. Evaluate integral 1 to 4 x square minus x dx. Integral of x square is x cube divided by 3 minus integration of x is x square by 2 between limits 1 to 4. Now, just apply the upper limit first. What is the upper limit? 4 cube divided by 3 minus 4 square divided by 2 minus lower limit. 1 cube is 1 by 3 minus 1 square is 1 by 2. Simplify this. What is this equal to? 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 divided by 3 minus 4 square, 4 4s are 16 divided by 2 minus, take LCM, 3 2s are 6 is the LCM, 2 1s are 2 minus 3. Simplify this, 64 by 3 as it is minus, take divide it, 16 by 2 is 8 minus of 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 6. So, this is equal to, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 64 minus 8 3 is 24, then minus of minus 1 by 6. So, this is equal to 64 minus 24 is nothing but 40. 40 by 3 minus into minus plus 1 by 6. take LCM, 6 is the LCM, 4 2s are 80 plus 1, that's equal to 81 by 6 is a simplified answer. That's it. Okay. Next one, evaluate. Integration of e to the power of x is e power x between limits minus 1 to 1. So apply the limit, upper limit, e raised to 1 minus e raised to minus 1. E raised to 1 is e minus 1 over e. So you can write e minus 1 over e, or further if you want you can simplify, take e as the LCM, e into e is e square minus 1 by e. Right. Now move on to the next problem. Integral of x, these are all 1 mark question. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 between limits 1 to 2, 1 over 3 constant. This is nothing but 2 cube minus 1 cube. So 1 over 3 into 2 cube is 8 minus 1, that is 1 over 3 into 7, that's equal to 7 by 3. That's it. Now let's move on to the next problem. Integration, this is important for 1 mark question, 1 mark. Now integration of 1 over x is log x between limits 2 to 3. So this is nothing but log 3 minus log 2. This is of the form log m minus n. We can write logarithm of 3 by 2. So integration of 1 over x is log x between the limits 2 to 3, log 3 minus log 2, that is log m minus log n is log m by n. Now next, integration of sine 2x. So what is integration of sine 2x? Minus cos 2x by 2 between the limits 0 to pi by 4. So here you can take 1 by 2 out along with negative sign, apply the limit, upper limit, cos of 2 times pi by 4 minus cos of 2 times 0. This is minus 1 over 2 into cos of 2 into pi by 4 is nothing but 90 degree, cos 90 minus cos of 0 degrees. This is minus 1 by 2 into, what is this? Sin 0, 0, cos 0 is 1. Sin 90 is sin 91, cos 90, 0. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. That's it. Okay. See, integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2 minus 1 by 2 out, 2 times pi by 4, 45 into 2 is 90. Cos 90 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Now next, evaluate integral 0 to 1. So this is of the form, if you observe carefully, 1 over root of a square minus x square dx. 1 over root of a square minus x square is sin inverse of x by a. So here this can be written as sin inverse of x between the limit 0 to 1. That's it. Upper limit sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. What is sin inverse 1? What is sin inverse 0? Sin 0, 0. Sin inverse 1 is 90 degree. Pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2. What is sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. So sin inverse 1 is pi by 2 minus 0. That's equal to pi by 2. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Integrate 0 to pi by 2 cos square x. Now we know the formula for cos square x. Cos square x is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. Right. See, you know these two formulas. Cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. If we transfer this, 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, or only cos square x is equal to half into 1 plus cos 2x. So integrate it. Now the given integral can be written as integral of 0 to pi by 2 half into 1 plus cos 2x dx. So here 1 by 2 out, integration of dx is x, cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the upper limit, 1 by 2 into upper limit pi by 2 plus sin of 2 into pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2 upper limit minus lower limit 0 plus sin 2 into 0 is 0 divided by 2. Now what is this equal to? This is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2 as it is, plus 2 gets cancelled, sin 180. What is sin pi? 180 plus 0, 0, sin 0, 0. This is equal to sin pi is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. You will get 0 minus sin 0 is also equal to 0. sine 0, 0. Right. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 2, that's equal to pi by 4 is the simplified answer. That's it. Okay. This is how we are going to solve using this, or even you can use by using the properties, you can also solve this problem. Now let us move on to the next problem. Evaluate 0 to 1 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. So this given equation, the given integral can be written as integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x into 1 by 1 plus x dx. 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now let us take t as the substitution. Put t is equal to tan inverse of x. Differentiate it. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So this integral become integral tan inverse x is t. This entire quantity 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Now what about the limits? Whenever the substitutions are taken, the value of limit also changes. When? What is the lower limit? When x is equal to 0. Just substitute here. T is equal to tan inverse 0. So that's equal to 0. Now what is the upper limit? Upper limit is 1. When x is equal to 1, t is equal to tan inverse of 1. What is tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. This is equal to pi by 4. So 0 to 1 becomes 0 to pi by 4. Now integration of t. Integral of t is t square by 2 between limits 0 to pi by 4. Apply the upper limit. So 1 by 2 out. Pi by 4 whole square minus 0. This is 1 by 2 into pi by 4 whole square is pi square divided by 16. So that's equal to pi square divided by 16 into 2. 16 2s are 32. Pi square divided by 32 is the simplified answer for this. That's it. So this is how we are going to solve the problems based on non-definite integrals. Now that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.